Okay guys, so the calories are from my 2000, so basically from January to July, I was 2000 calories all the way. No changes, nothing, just straight up. Now, from July, August, September, 3 months, right? So the first month, all 3 of those months, my calories are cut by 500. So 1500 calories like we explained. So basically it's another deficit on top of the deficit, right? So that 1500. So we kept it at that. The activity levels had to go up. It was either that or cut the calories. And you don't want to cut the calories more and more because you've got a risk of losing muscle. And really 1000 calories a day for me, that I don't think I could have sustained that for 3 months. It would have been really low in the deficit. So 1500 was still tough, but it was doable. So what happened was the first month, my activities, normally I was doing no cardio, just steps from January to July. The month of July started adding cardio on my non-training days. So that would be Tuesday and Thursdays. I'd do half an hour cardio for that month. Then the next month, August, my cardio was up more to accelerate more of the fat burning process, basically getting more into a deficit. So then my cardio ended up being 45 minutes on non-training days, Tuesday and Thursdays. And I would train on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, weight training. No cardio, right? Steps and all that, still doing all the steps. The steps went up to 12,500 up until the photo shoot. So August, I just upped my cardio up by 15 minutes to July on the non-training day. So it was 45 minutes. When September came, the photo shoot month, I was doing cardio 7 times a week. So I would do 1 hour cardio on my non-training days, which were Tuesday and Thursdays. And on my training days after I would weight train, I would do half an hour. For the first 2 weeks of September, I would do half an hour cardio. And the last 2 weeks, week and a half leading up to the photo shoot, I'd start doing 45-minute cardio on my training days and keep the 1 hour on my non-training days and weekends. So all in all, 4 days a week would be an hour cardio. And on my training days, it would be 45 minutes of cardio that would add. So that's where the energy started to deplete a bit in me. I got tired, but it was only for a week and a half. It was tough. The cravings were all there coming in, you know how the mind starts playing tricks. But that's when you have to fight through and start thinking about the photo shoot. And that's what got me through it, the end result. I kept thinking about the photo shoot, the end result. So all in all, in summary, the last 3 months was like the prep. If you look at a lot of the bodybuilders, they say 12 weeks prep. And I get it now, 12 weeks prep. So I had 3 months prep. So you're just tracking your weight every week. If you're not losing weight as quickly and the photo shoot's coming nearer, just up your cardio more. That's what they did with me. So it was really simple. When I look back at it now, they're just increasing my activity as I got closer to the deadline. I was checking my photos every week to see if the definition was coming through. You can see, judging the photos, you can see if the weight is dropping and your photos are getting more defined every week. You know you're on the right track. Keep doing that. And if you feel like, you'll know when the weight isn't dropping that much, you can see it in the body as well. The detail isn't there as much, but just judge it by your photos and the weight. But you want to judge it by what you're looking at really in the mirror. If you can see definition starting to come, then you just keep on going and just keep on carrying on with the process. And when you come nearer to your photo shoot date, if it's not the results you're starting to see, then just start adding a bit more cardio, 15 minutes more on your non-training days, and even on your training days, add 15 minutes and then keep tracking like that every week, and then you will start losing. And just stay disciplined with the nutrition, because that's the key. So I'll see you in the next video.